Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to proofread text using Apple Intelligence on iPhone, iPad and Mac. Apple Intelligence is versatile and boasts a ton of different skills including the ability to proofread text. So if you need a super handy tool that can let you proofread articles in order to fix common mistakes or typos with utmost ease, it can live up to your expectations. That said, let's learn how it's done. That quick way. Sure, to get started, you have to launch the Apple Notes app on your iDevice. And then you have to open an existing note or create a new note as per your needs. And then you have to select the text that you want Apple Intelligence to proofread for you. And then you have to hit the Apple Intelligence icon. And then you have to select the proofread option in a menu. And you are all set. Apple Intelligence will smartly proofread the text for you and even fix the mistakes. And once it has proofread the text, a menu will show up at the top where you can see the total changes. And if you want to revert and check the original text, just click on the revert option in the menu. Otherwise, just click on the done option. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily take advantage of Apple Intelligence to proofread text like a pro. Now that you have unlocked this cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.